worried that all your kids are doing are playing video games and running around playing cops and robbers? Do you hope that your kids could learn something fun and educational that did not involve guns? Let your kids do battle with our Cupcake Wars class. What if your kids could make delicious, sweet cupcakes that your whole family could enjoy? And then they could join our Facebook group and share and compete for prizes. Let's turn your kids into amazing chefs. Let's turn them into tiny chefs.